Just a little more. Get it. Get it out. Now. Is it alive? My grandfather used to carve these. What is it doing here? She never gave up on him. Not for a second. Look at that. Fenrir knows. He knows exactly what to do. That's it. Drink. You're both going to be okay. Go on. Be safe, you two. Wars were very, you'd never know what happened here. Nature always finds a way to heal. Leave it. It's her. Or her family. He's okay. They have a family. They think he's one of them. They're not scared at all. She wanted me to see. She came back to show me. Yes. This is why we do it. This moment. Right here. It's a gift. Thank you. Gratitude is nature's oldest language. We just need to be quiet enough to hear it.